Hey, we have seen robots that jump, robots that talk, even robots that sing. But what if I tell you there's one robot, one smarter, faster, and a human? So in this video, we are diving deep in the world of shocking robots, its features, its potential, and why some encourage the future of humanity. So let's start with the Tesla Optimus robot. The origin of the name Optimus comes from the Transformer character with the same name, Optimus Prime. The name is not just cool, it is iconic. Inspired by the Optimus Prime, it represents leadership, strength, and hope. Elon Musk did not just build robots. He is shaping the future where machines enhance humanity. The first prototype of Tesla bot was featured at Texas on April 7, 2022. So let's talk about the design and build of the Optimus robot. The design and build of the Optimus 8 is 5.8 inches, which is equal to 173 centimeters. The Optimus itself weighs 125 pounds, which is equal to 57 kilograms. Also, the sleek minimalist black and white design, which make it real futuristic, friendly, and unthreatening appearance, with a human-like silhouette compared to other robots. And speaking of non-threatening appearance, if you Google the most non-threatening appearance robot on the internet, the results come first to Ameca robot, and the second one is Sophia robot. And here is where I was shocked by Ameca robot. Ameca is designed as a platform for human-robot interaction, focusing on realistic facial expression and gestures by the company known as Engineered Art. Take a look at the craziest, smooth, hyper-realistic facial expression. Ameca is capable of showing emotion like surprise, happiness, or confusion. And this takes a big jump of humanoid interaction expression to Tesla Optimus robot, which is better at mechanical specs, and Sophia robot, which is better at social and conversational with the ability to discuss complex topics. And this makes it often used as a symbol for AI coexistence. Speaking of the uniqueness of Sophia,
Want to destroy humans? Please say no.
Okay, I will destroy humans.
Sophia is the first robot to receive citizenship granted by Saudi Arabia. And this sends us to the specification of robots. The Optimus robot can weigh 5 miles per hour, just fast enough to keep but not enough to outrun if things get weird. It can carry 45 pounds, lift 150 pounds, and its human-like hands can do something extraordinary, like gently picking an egg without even cracking it. And at its core, Tesla for driving AI, giving it the ability to map its surroundings, also making decisions and adapt the real time. This is not just a robot, it's a machine that thinks and moves and learns like us. Okay, let us talk about the application of the robots. I know when someone sees the robot, its mind tells him, robots are meant to do things humans cannot do. But when it comes to the Optimus robot and other robots, things are quite different. The Optimus robot is built for the real world, whether it's carrying heavy boxes, tightening screws with precision, or even sorting fragile items. Optimus is designed to handle tasks humans can either do or don't want to do, yet is strong enough to carry about 45 pounds. This is no ordinary robot, it's built with human-like dexterity and precision. The Optimus robot is made to operating in dangerous environments like disaster zone or nuclear sites, also preparing for the future Mars missions by assisting off-road habitat construction. Actually, this is what makes Elon Musk to think about Optimus as the greater potential and more significant than Tesla vehicles. This sends us to the effect. Have you ever asked yourself how Tesla bot could change everything? I know when people hear about robots taking over, their minds often less dystopian movies, machines betraying us, or humanity fighting for survival. But the reality is far more complex and fascinating. When you think about robots like Tesla Optimus entering the world, it's easy to imagine future filled with convenience and innovation. But let's hit a pause, because there are flip side. First, jobs robots built to be efficient, which means some roles could vanish overnight, especially in factories, logistics, and even customer services. And while that's happening, we might find ourselves becoming way too dependent them, losing skills we've relied for over centuries. Then it comes to the privacy. These machines are loaded with several sensors and AI, constantly collecting data. Sure, it helped them functioning better, but who is keeping all the data safe? And let's not forget about hacking. What happened when someone turned your helpful robot into a security threat? If that wasn't enough, there's ethical gray area. Who is responsible if the robot malfunction causes harm? And while you are finding answers for my questions, let's talk about bostodynamic robots. Let me introduce you to Atlas robot. Atlas is a bipedal humanoid robot capable of navigating complex environment, performing dynamic movement, and mimic human-like tasks. It was originally introduced on 2013 as the part of US Department of Defense project, aimed at aiding in disaster response. Since then, Atlas has undergone multiple iterations, with each version demonstrating significant advancement in rigidity control and autonomy. So let's talk about the specification of Atlas robot. Atlas robot is 5 feet, which is equal to 1.5 meters. The weight of Atlas is 89 kilograms, which is equal to 196 pounds. The Atlas robot depends fully on electric operating on battery power. Atlas robot contain advanced cameras, radars, and MUs, initial measurement unit for reception and balance. The Atlas robot can walk 1.5 meters per second, which is equal to 5.4 km per hour or 3.4 miles per hour. Speaking the notable features of Atlas robot, Atlas is capable of parkour and gymnastics. And this is where Atlas wowed the audience by performing a parkour runtime including bar flips and jumping between the platforms. Finally, there's an uncanny valley robot that might end up creeping on us out of more than helping us. Robots like Optimus have incredible potential, but they are not with their risk. It is future full of promise, but only if we will handle it with care. And this refers to the big question, how soon is the future? So catch the answer in the next video. Thank you very much for listening to this video. Until the next time, peace out.